Hey, so I'm back. I wanted to just let you know that if the quality of this video is not as great, it's because I lost my camera. Yep. I mean, it was just a point and shoot, but it did its job, and now I'm using my phone camera, which is not as great because I'm using the front camera. I know, shame on me, but whatever. I'm here to tell you that I got my second VoxBox. Yes. I was pretty excited about this just because there are some people who do not receive them as regularly. This is, I think, my second one in the last month and a half, maybe 2 months. And I just became a member in December, at the end of December, so I'm excited about that. I must confess that I did cheat a little bit. I went on the app to see what products I would be getting. Yeah, but it's still not as exciting as actually seeing them. So I am going to be opening this up and doing a quick review. I think I have used at least one of these products before. So I can give you a quick review right now. So this is the box. This is everything that comes in it. Okay, so I don't never use any like color spray, or I've never dyed my hair any strange colors either, so I am very excited to try this. It's called Eva NYC, and it's a temporary color spray. Oh, it's pretty cool. It has argan oil, which is good for your hair, and blue pigment. So I got the blue one. I think, oh, look at this. I got two. I got a purple one and a blue one. So here you go. Oh my god, I am so sorry for the quality of this video, but I am super excited to try this. I'm gonna see if I can try it somewhere where I do not have carpet, because I don't want to stain it. I'm pretty sure you guys understand that. I also received these hair, skin, and nail gummies with biotin. These are the ones that I have already used and I love because they taste so good. So let me see here. I guess obviously it's not gonna work. There you go. Oh, it's easier to open than I thought to. But I remember, oh, it smells like, oh, it's so good. I can't put a finger of how it smells, but I'm gonna try them again. Like strawberries. Duh, it's strawberry base. Just 2,500 mcg per serving. It has biotin, which is good for obviously your hair, skin, and nails. Oh my gosh, these taste a lot better than I thought they were, or they did before. They might have changed the formula or something. So the serving size is 2 gummies. And there's 80 in here, so quick math, there's 40 servings in this container. Each serving is, again, 2 gummies, which are 15 calories. The sugars are 2 grams. Total carbs are 3 grams. Vitamin C is 15 milligrams. Vitamin E is 15 IU. And biotin is 2,500 mcg. And sodium, it is a little on the higher side, I think. It's 10 milligrams. But, I mean, if you are having trouble getting your biotin in and your vitamin E and your vitamin C, I don't see this being a bad product to use. And it tastes really good, so it won't deter you from actually taking it. We also got this Core's Greek yogurt foaming cream cleansing. And I think it's pretty cool because it's for all, are you able to see that? Okay, so this is not as good as my regular camera. Again, I apologize, but it's for all skin types. So I'm pretty excited to use this. I don't know if you're able to see, but my skin has been really bad lately. It has cleared up a lot too. But yeah, so let me see if you're able to see this here. Oh. It's a nice consistency and it smells clean. Oh, and it foams up a bit. Oh, duh, foaming. So I'm excited. Oh, it smells like soap. It smells like something else I've tried before. I can't put a finger on it, but it does not smell bad. It smells pretty good. Oh, I knew I was missing something. So I thought I was gonna get a bigger size of this, so I'm a little disappointed, but it's the CS Moy It's Me Purifying Charcoal Clay Facial Mask, and it's made for young, delicate skin. I don't know what that means, but I hope that my skin is young, but whatever. Here it is. I was excited when I saw that I was going to be getting this, so hopefully, let me see if I can. Nope, it doesn't work, but yeah, okay. So it's purifying, and you basically just apply it over your face and neck and chest as desired, and you leave it on for 15 minutes, and then you wash it away with warm water and a washcloth. Not gonna open it yet because, I mean, it's a small pack, and I kind of want to use it and really review it. So if you want, you can follow me on influenster, and you can see the review that I actually make for this. Okay, so now we got all this other stuff. This special delivery. Okay, so yeah, on my account they allowed me to also get the special delivery VoxBox, but you would have to pay like a $5 shipping fee, and I kind of didn't want to do that. So if you want to, the option is there. Okay, so this is just the hairspray temporary color, and these are the colors I could have gotten, and I'm pretty excited. I got 2 out of the 3. So it's supposed to be buildable, vibrant, and it has protein complex and argan oil, and it's a salon quality formula, and it instantly delivers optimal anti-breakage benefits and commitment free color, which means it rinses out after a wash. So I'm excited about that. Okay, and then, yeah, these are just like little pamphlets on the things that we got in here. So let's see how much each one cost. So the Greek yogurt cleanser is $26 for 150 milliliters. So this is just the sample size. The Nature Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nail Gummies is $9.20, which I think it's fine. The other vitamins that I buy are usually around the same price, so I feel like it's a great price for that. The Clarifying Clay, the facial mask, is $10. I'm pretty sure for like more than just one. And these Eva NYC Chameleon Temporary Color Sprays are $10. I have seen them on the Target website for that price. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited that I got 2 sample sizes. And they're actually pretty big for what they are. They're 1.5 ounces each. So I'm excited to try that, especially for the summer. And then the Taste of Home, which I did not get, it would be, it's a quarterly subscription box, and it retails for $39.95, but you would only be paying for the shipping, which would have been $5, and I did not do that. So make sure, if you're interested in getting Vox boxes, you sign up for the influencer app, and then just review products, and then you're able to qualify for these boxes. All right, guys, so thank you so much for just watching my video and looking at the products that I received. Just follow me on influencer to see the reviews that I come up with, and hopefully I enjoy all of these products. As of right now, I know I enjoyed this because you obviously saw me eat it on camera. It has a great taste. So yeah, guys, I will see you later. Bye.